Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create your own. I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create your own personal portfolio using Canva completely free. A lot of people think Canva is just for social media posts or flyers, but trust me, it is much more powerful than that. You can actually design graphs, charts, and even build an entire portfolio website right from Canva. So, if you are ready to create a professional, clean, and impressive online presence without hiring a developer, stick me with me till the end. So let's dive right in. So before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description box and on the pinned comment. Now let's move forward to our main steps. First of all, you have to go to canva.com and visit their official website. You can also download their official app from Google Play Store or App Store. So after, as you can see, I'm already logged in. If you don't have one, you can sign up easily with your email. I'm already logged in here. So once you're on the home page, what you want to do is head over to the search bar at the top, type in website and then hit enter. This will show you different types of websites templates Canva has, but don't worry, we are going to start from scratch today so you understand everything. Now simply click on website and search for website, and then you have to tap onto this one called create a blank website. Tap onto it, or also you can choose a previous made template if you want. So we are going to start from scratch, so I just tap on to create a blank website. Now a new blank canvas will open up for you. Before we move forward, you don't need Canva Pro to create and publish a website. Also, you can publish it with free Canva provided domain. However, if you want more premium templates or your own custom domain name, you might want to upgrade to Canva Pro. But again, for now, the free version is perfect to get started. At the top of your canvas, you will see untitled website here. So today I am building a portfolio for a fictional makeup artist, which is so I'm gonna enter the name of her. This name is important because it helps you stay organized and it shows up in your browser tab once the site is live. Now on the left hand side at the top you will see the option called design. Tap onto it. Then at the search bar you have to search for portfolio and then search it. You will see a lot of pre-designed portfolio templates appear. Some are marked with a little crown. Those are pro templates here, as you can see this one. But many are free too. I usually scroll through and choose one that matches the vibe I am going for. For Lily, I want something elegant and simple, so I will select a clean minimal template. So I'm gonna choose this one. So once you find a design you like, click apply to all pages like this. Apply all 7 pages. That will apply all the templates pages to your website here, as you can see. Once the page loads, you will land on your first page. This is usually the home page. Now we start personalizing it. First click on the title text here, and you can edit it as you want. Add anything you wish to text. Add your, I would say add your title like this one. copy it and paste it here. So below that there's usually a tagline, so I will write professional makeup artist here. As you can see, I have write down the text. Now I'm gonna make it a little smaller as I think it looks good. Next we will want to change the images. Now I'm going to use some stock photos I downloaded today, but you should definitely upload your own work for a real portfolio. So click on any image here and then for example this one, then hit delete, and then go to your files, choose the image you want to add. For example, I would want to add this image, copy and paste it right here and it will be added to your page. Choose the image. Yeah, you can also go to elements and photos, like go to elements and search for makeup artist or bridal makeup. Now here you will find a lot of photos here. Just download the perfect one you want to wish to add. Like this. My images are not perfect because I'm just showing it to you today. I'm not really editing my official website portfolio. So you have to drag and drop photos into frames. Try to keep consistent colors and visual styles so your portfolio looks polished. Now let's say I want a separate service pages. So here's how you have to tap onto this plus icon, which is basically the add pages option. You just have to tap onto it, click add page, go into text and add a heading here. Tap onto it, add a heading, type services I provided, like this. Like this. And if you want to edit it, you can also customize it a little bit, then just place it perfectly. And below that I will be adding some subheadings like this: bridal makeup, bridal makeup. And also I would like to add a subheading which is photo shoot glam, like photo shoot. I okay. So then I'm gonna place them perfectly. I'm gonna make it a little bigger to show. Now let me make it a little italic, and if you want to change the color you can change your color from here. Simply just tap onto this is not looking good, so I'm just choose this one. This is good. Then I'm gonna choose something like, you can add your brand colors here from you can also choose gradient color from here. You can add gradient color. And photoshoot IO. So you can style them however you like. You can change fonts, add just sizes from here, like tap on the text you want to adjust size and you can just adjust it from here. So you can add little icons for image visuals interest, like go to elements and you can search for some sparkles, like sparkles gold. Then I'm gonna add this one here. Then I'm gonna choose it to the whole page, and then I'm gonna add a few more like this. So it now looks pretty much better. So I'm gonna delete these images and add some image from my files like this. So as you can see, I want to make the text a little upwards, and that's perfect. Now you can edit this text. So if you want to download it as images, you just simply tap on the share and then tap download. And if you want to upload them to your website, tap onto this blue text called a publish website, and then you have to head over to your website. For any website, go to your website, and then you have to copy the link of your website, and then again you have to head over to Canva, and here you can see this text called website URL. So on this website URL, you just have to paste your website link. As you can see here, this is saying that this user is not available, as this is just a random spammy link. You just have to enter your official website link, and then you have to tap on the publish settings, and you can enter your description here. Also you can preview all this. So now you have to tap on the publish website, and that's it. It will be published to your website without any hassle. So pretty much it. So now that your portfolio is designed, let's preview it. Tap on the preview, and you can preview your portfolio from here. So as you can see, as I'm scrolling down, I didn't edit all of this because it will take a lot of time, as the purpose of this video is just to show you how you can do it. So here you can see this. So this is how you can create a portfolio using Canva. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like it. So there you have it, a beautiful professional personal portfolio website made in Canva, totally free. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss out any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Goodbye.